Hello, everybody. This is Sunday. It's September 26th, and we are entering the 5th week of our online astronomy course. Hope everything's going well for you. Hope you had a great week. We've had a week of wonderful weather here, and I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Finally having nice, clear air to breathe after all the smoke we've had this summer from the California fires. But good to have you here. And first thing I want to talk about is that starting tomorrow, the first exam is open. The exam is over the first 4 modules, and you can take it anytime from Monday, that is tomorrow, September 27th, all the way through the next Sunday, and that is October 3rd. Now, the exam is available. It's on Canvas. You'll find it just between modules 4 and 5. So you take it on Canvas. It is open book. You can refer to your homework notes if you want to, your homework quizzes. And you can also, if you want, use a calculator, but you're not going to need a calculator for anything. So I wouldn't even worry about that. But if you want to have a calculator by your side just to feel safe and secure, that is fine. Now, after you've taken it once, you'll get your score. And if you want to take it again during the time period when the exam's open, you can. And if you do that, I'll give you the average of your 2 scores. And if you don't want to take it again, then you just I'll just give you that single score that you got. So I hope that goes well for you. And again, that is on the Canvas system, and you'll find the first exam right between modules 4 and 5 on the modules page of the course. Well, we are headed into week 5 of our course, and we're headed, in fact, into the second set of modules, modules 5 through 8. And those are on the solar system. So we're going to be looking at all the things that belong to our solar system. We're talking about planets and asteroids and meteoroids and comets and dwarf planets. I will also be talking about the thousands of extrasolar planets we now know are orbiting other stars. So there's a lot to learn about. It's really cool stuff, but Module 5 deals with our home planet. That is, it deals with Earth. And so that's why I've chosen this for my background. Right behind me, you can see the mountain, and this is about 2 blocks. If I walk 2 blocks up from my house, I'm at this trailhead, and you can see the trailhead there over my shoulder. And we haven't had the first snow yet, so I took this about 2 years ago, I guess. But right now, the hillsides are just looking beautiful with all the trees changing. You know, we live on such a beautiful planet. It's the home to life. It's the only place in the universe that we know for sure has life on it. And you'll learn about how our Earth evolved through time. You know, our Earth wasn't always such a hospitable place. And you'll learn how Earth developed through time. You'll learn about the interior of the Earth. You'll learn about Earth's atmosphere. And you'll learn about how, unfortunately, at the present time, we are putting much too much carbon dioxide into our atmosphere, and that is causing climate change. So that smoke we've been breathing in during the summer here in the Southwest from the California fires is ultimately caused by that climate change that has caused the California droughts, that has caused increased temperatures, that has dried everything out so much and caused the summer of wildfires that we've been suffering through. But it's a great story about Earth. I hope you enjoy learning about that. And also, let's take a look at what is in the sky. Right now, I want to share the screen. And usually I show you what is in the evening sky. This is going to be in the morning sky, what you'll see if you get up and go outside around 6 in the morning. And I really love this because this is the beginning of the winter constellations coming into our sky. And you'll see up there, if you take a look, you'll see the constellation of Orion. I think that's my favorite of all constellations, and I'll be talking quite a bit more about that as we get into the later part of the course when we start talking about stars and star formation. For instance, Betelgeuse up here is a red giant star, many times larger than the sun. And down below, the star is called Rigel, and it is a very hot bluish white star. Here are the 3 stars in Orion's belt. And right below Orion's belt is the Orion Nebula, which is an active region of star formations where new stars and planets are being formed right now. Also down here is Sirius. It's the brightest appearing star in the sky. And this is what the sky looks like actually today on Sunday. Now you probably won't be seeing this until Monday, but on Sunday, if I look up, I'll see the moon. And the moon is right near this star, Aldebaran, in the constellation of Taurus, the bull. And right now the moon is between the bull's face, which is right here. Aldebaran, another red giant, is the bull's angry red eye. And the moon is halfway between Aldebaran and the Pleiades star cluster. And that's one of the star clusters you have to know for your constellation quiz. The other star cluster you have to know is the Hyades star cluster, which forms the face of the Hyades, forms the face of Taurus, the bull. So I thought I'd just show you what these constellations look like. I'll put up the lines and the names of them. And you can see here is Orion the Hunter. And I'll even put up the figures because those are nice to look at. So here's Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse, like many of the star names, is an Arabic word. It comes from Arabic star catalogs. And Betelgeuse means armpit of the giant. And that's right where Betelgeuse is in this giant figure of Orion. And there's Rigel down there. Here is Aldebaran. It's the eye of Taurus the bull. And there's Taurus the bull up there. Well, I'll get rid of those right now. The moon on Wednesday is going to be third quarter moon. So we're moving toward third quarter, then past third quarter to the new moon phase. So if you have any questions about anything that's going to be going on, if you have any questions about how to take the exam or any questions about the material in any of the modules, please let me know. You can ask a question on the discussions, or you're welcome to send me an email. I can answer it on an email. Or if you want a Zoom meeting, I'll be happy to set up a Zoom meeting for you. So I hope you have good luck on the exams. I'll also be sending out an email to everybody, just a reminder to take the exam. It opens up tomorrow on Monday and then closes at the end of the day on the following Sunday. So good luck, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. So until then, bye-bye.